This is an AI music video. The song's AI, the artist's AI, the visuals are AI, and I made all of it free in my browser. I'll show you how to make a full AI music video, edit style, a free song you can actually monetize, an AI artist, and cinematic visuals cut to the beat, no downloads. Most AI music is personal use only, so you can't post it. I'll show you the free way to actually own it and the beat sync trick that makes it look pro. Stick around. 3 parts, the song, the artist, the edit, all free and all in the browser. And we're doing it AMV style, meaning no lip syncing, just cinematic shots cut to the music, which honestly looks cleaner anyway. By the end, you'll have a full music video for $0. And the wild part, I didn't even need a separate tool. I made the song in Google Flow Music. It used to be Refusion, then Producer AI, and Google bought it, so now it's Google's own AI music app, right in your browser, no install. I prompt the genre and vibe, and it spits out a full track with vocals. So the song and the visuals both live in the Google ecosystem. One world, one workflow. It's the same company behind the AI video tool, so your music and your music video come from the exact same place. One thing before you post it commercially, check Flow Music's current license, because as a new Google product, the terms can shift. Quick check, then you're safe. Now we give this track a face, the artist. Since it's an edit, they don't need to sing on camera, they just need to be a vibe. Moody hero shots that match the song's energy. I design a character in Google Flow, then make a triptych, front and both sides, and use it as a reference so the artist looks identical in every shot. Then I generate them in cinematic poses, walking through neon streets, staring into the camera, lit dramatically. No lip sync, no awkward mouth movement, just presence. Now we turn it into an actual edit. This is where it becomes a music video. Mix your artist's shots with cinematic B-roll, cityscapes, nature, abstract visuals, all generated in Flow and Meta. Flow gives 5 clips daily, so use them on your avatar shots, while Meta gives you infinite clips, so you can make filler animations. You can try making your avatar videos in Meta as well, but I wouldn't really recommend it. But still, you have infinite generations, so try anything you want. In Flow, each clip's 8 seconds, and in Meta, you get around 5 to 6 seconds. Then the secret weapon, cut on the beat. Every drop, every snare, land a cut or a flash on it. Beat syncing is the single biggest upgrade to any AI music video. It's what makes edits feel professional instead of AI slop. Now for the thing you've been waiting for. I will show you how mine turned out.
Cold rain on the glass. Stand still, watching the crowd. Speak up, nothing to say. Wake up now.
Grave face, looking down. Same walk home.
Speak up, nothing to say. Speak up, nothing to say. Wake up now. Break the line, break the line.
I think it looks and sounds out of this world for something free. After you make your songs, you have a problem, which I will go over now. Once the edit's done, you've got to post it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, different sizes, every time. That's where repurpose.io comes in. Publish once, it auto-reformats and pushes it to every platform on autopilot, so your music actually gets heard. Links in the description, free to start. Let's wrap it up. So that's a full AI music video, edit style, a free ownable song using Flow Music, an AI artist locked in with Flow and Meta, all cut to the beat. $0, 0 installs, all AI. Comment what genre I should do next. Funk? Hyperpop? I'll build the whole thing again. I'll also upload the whole song on a different video, and it will be the whole song because in this video I only showcased half of it. So definitely check it out if you enjoyed it. I will also link another video that I think you will enjoy if you like tutorials like these. I'll see you there.